seeing those images, seeing the news reports, and preparing for the absolute worst scenario ever, to say it was daunting is an understatement. We had to organise ourselves as a communication 24/7 support workstream, as well as do the strategic communications to the Cabinet Office and to Number 10 and to the public as well. We had limited time for thinking. We literally had to do thinking and doing in parallel. And that's how we were able to stand up as a solid work stream and build real positive working relationships with the client. We had to work closely with the COVID-19 teams that were set up in the Foreign and Commonwealth Office, the Department of Health and Social Care, of course, and in the BEIS office as well as professional bodies outside, beyond central government. So it was a complex stakeholder landscape, and we demonstrated that we could build relationships quickly and start working collaboratively to get the right messages out to the right stakeholder groups, literally within a week. If I was to give you a flavour of a typical day, it could be the Financial Times has published a news story about the ventilator programme, and actually there's some nuggets of information, if not the whole article, that's not a true reflection of what's happening and how the government's approaching the Ventilator Challenge. So we would have to do immediate turnaround response, because those kind of news stories can be quite detrimental to people's perception. Looking back on the programme from a comms perspective, I think the achievements have been monumental. Getting updates out there via gov.uk, handling all those offers of support, doing all that, not just against the heightened scenario of COVID-19, but doing all of that when the PA and the Cabinet Office IT systems were not in sync. We were working off, fragmented systems here, and we gave the Cabinet Office a sense of relief in terms of we've got this under control, and we really helped ease the load of the client in that regard. So that's a proud moment for us. One of the things that really amazed me was the amazing talent we have in PA. We've got economists in PA, we've got behavioural scientists in PA, we've got experts in business cases, we've got engineers and experts in electronic systems. That's amazing. I don't think many other consulting firms can actually rise to that in terms of capability and skills.